Welcome to Lesson 2, Customer Success Resources for BigCommerce. BigCommerce is an industry-leading platform for e-commerce as a service, and as such, they developed a wide portfolio of expert-level guidance in using their platform. Let's go ahead and take a look at the best resources that BigCommerce offers. First off, there's the community. And inside the community, you'll find community Q&A and groups that you can join, as well as a great place to go for news and updates on the system. You can even post ideas for system features that you'd like to see in the future, and BigCommerce developers will comment and upvote that to see if it's something that they can use. The knowledge base offers a similar format to the user community, however, contains all the questions that are typical in user documentation and user usage of the system. A lot of these questions come from the BigCommerce community and have been formalized into the knowledge base. This allows you to find questions that other users have had time and time again very quickly. And if you need help, the new AI BigCommerce bots are there to sort through that extensive knowledge base for you. Typically, you can find the BigCommerce bot in the bottom right-hand corner, and that'll allow you to communicate with the knowledge base and the community forums to find information even faster. Next, we have BigCommerce University, which is an excellent resource for finding out the new features or how to use the basic usage of the system. Whether you're an experienced tech or you're a new user to the system, BigCommerce University has a tremendous amount of resources to help you get started and with advanced features of the system. When you're finally ready to commit to the platform, BigCommerce University is where I would go to learn how to use the system on a day-to-day basis. They also offer an extensive set of webinars, which are always evolving. They range for industry-leading best practices to new trends and things that you might want to be aware of when operating a new digital storefront. We'll also find an extensive list of store examples. This helps you visualize what's possible with the e-commerce as a service platform by BigCommerce. However, notice that a lot of these storefronts are custom, so you're not exactly getting a small business feel in a lot of these storefronts, but you will get how the system can be used. And I invite you to go through all the current clients that they are currently promoting, because these sites are often much nicer than the ones you'll find in the themes. So you can get a real handle on the real potential of using BigCommerce as a service for your application stack. And finally, I like their podcasts, which make it fun and easy to listen to new content about the system, about industry trends, and ongoing knowledge about digital development in the e-commerce space.